Hello again. In this video we will first of all bring the bearing. It seems like 206. See, it's square pillow block bearing, so the shaft is 30. So we go to trace part. Before we choose the shaft is 25, but now it's 30. So we go here. Here you choose your software, which is Inventor, Fusion 360, anything. But for SolidWorks, we will choose Parasolid. This one. And your download will come in here. This one. We open the location. We copy this, or we cut and bring it to our project folder, desktop. Cheaper bearing. As you can see, before we choose the previous bearing is 0.5. Paste here, we extract here all. It's okay. This is now. We'll bring it to SolidWorks. He asked to recognize faces. Everything okay? Okay, we save this. ER206. Here, if we come back also, can check again the on tracks how much distance between these two holes for fixing. The E, it's 83. See, between this, it's 83. So we need to go to the plate, side plate, side base. This needs to be 83, and this needs to be 83 divided by 2. This also needs to be here 83 divided by 2, and here also 83 divided by 2, and that's okay. Save. Okay. Okay, we can now add the bearing. Okay, here's some remark. If you fixing the bearing this type, you have to consider the position of the grease nipple. Maybe have here, if no have gap, don't put this way, put top side. As it's depend as your project dimension and other part fixing. So you need to define this free space. This nipple grease, it must be top side, this side, left side or right side, or also down side. But here we have from here, after we will make here the sprocket, so we cannot make it downside, we need to make it top side. Okay, don't forget this. This and this contact, we need to this one to put in the top side, so we make this and this. Okay, reverse, it's okay, but now okay, we'll put another again here. Here, reverse, that's okay, and here contact. Why we make the bearing before the shaft? We need to know the distance between the bearing. So we will take measurement from here to here. We need this distance. It's 214.2. Okay, it's 214. We'll use this dimension to make the shaft.